Okay, Peter. There we go. Good boy. Okay.
The tickle?
Good boy. Okay, take a big breath in for me. Blow it all the way out. That's a big boy. Good boy. Good, right here. There we go. Turn on your back for me. All right.
You like it.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Come on over here. Once you get his face while it's being adjusted. Are you ready to be adjusted? You excited? Okay, ready? Let me just remove this to adjust.
I can go even downer.
Attaboy. That's a good boy. And right over here. All right, good. All done? All right, up we go. There we go.
Good job,
Can you-
high five. Here you go.
All right.
You're welcome.
You want an adjustment too? Okay, let's get you adjusted too. Want to be adjusted too?
Claire, put your raisins on the counter. Put them up there on the counter. The doctor can adjust you.
So that was just Peter, Ashley, and this is Claire. And Claire is about to turn.
She'll be 4 on Wednesday.
Yep, on Wednesday.
Peter,
Peter's how old right now?
he's 2 years and 5 months.
2 years and 5 months. And they've been coming to see us for what, about 3-4 months now?
Yep, 3-4 months.
Yeah. Do you like being adjusted, Claire?
Nothing hurts.
Yeah, good. Nothing hurts. It feels good. All right.
Nothing hurts inside, huh?
Okay. Oh,
Yay.
well, let's check. Let's see if anything needs to move, okay? Oh, I love your shirt today. Very pretty. Good girl. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Relax your eyeballs. There you go. Nice. Just a little baby one, right? Let's check right here. There. Did you feel that one? That's a good one. Do you want to do the jump? Okay, let's do the jump. Are you ready? Okay, stand up for me. Good. All right. Let me feel what needs to move, okay? Good girl. Okay. How many jumps? 3? 4. Okay.
4. Did you turn in 4?
2, 3, and 4. There we go. That was good. Let's make sure your hips in. There we go. Good job, sweetheart. There we go. And that's what we do with the Ashleys.